Hi everyone, Shika here with Narc Dojo, where we discuss pathological narcissism, spirituality, and raising your awareness. In today's video, we're doing a quick Q&A. So, can someone accept the narcissistic spirit unknowingly? I've seen it in an elderly gentleman who is not at all intelligent to choose evil, if that makes sense. However, conscious or unconscious when they made the decision, pathological narcissists are people that have accepted an evil spirit or spirits. So is it possible for someone to unknowingly accept this spirit? Well, yes and no, and here is why. The easiest way to understand this is to think about the age that the narcissist behaves. Most narcissists behave like 5-year-olds on a bad day, and at best they behave like a rowdy teenager. What you really are dealing with here is arrested development on the psycho-spiritual and emotional plane. When you look at the diagnostic information for NPD, so we're looking at the clinical view here, you can see where people develop these tendencies by early adulthood. And this means then that it happened before they became an adult. When you are dealing with a pathological narcissist, then this means that you are dealing with the person's false self and not their true self. And we can describe this as the person wearing a mask. An easy way to think about this is like Anna Delvey in the Inventing Anna movie. She pretends to be different people depending on who she is around. The real her technically does not exist. To adequately understand pathological narcissism, it is important to understand that human beings are multidimensional in nature. This is because we are spirit inside of a human body with access to a mind as a tool. Pathological narcissism is a psycho-spiritual illness. When you're dealing with a pathological narcissist, you're not dealing with their true self or their true spirit. You're actually interacting with a mask, and this is what we call the ego. The ego is a mind-made construct. It is a figment of a child's imagination now in an adult's body. Narcissists are people that have lost their true self. A disconnection from self or the disconnection from spirit is also a disconnection from the mind. So we could also say that narcissists are losing their minds. And this is the reason for their lack of intelligence. There really is nobody governing the ship. So, the lights are on, but nobody's really home because, again, they disconnected from their true self and created this false self over here, which we call the ego. While some narcissists may have unknowingly accepted these evil spirits when they were a child, understand that as they age, they do know that their behavior is evil. They just don't care to change.